Hello everyone. Welcome to Merit Article. Today, we have an empowering video for all our female travelers out there. We'll be sharing 15 tips for solo female travelers. Before we dive in, if you find this content helpful, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more empowering travel tips. Let's get started. Number 1. Do your research. Before you start your solo adventure, take the time to research your destination thoroughly. Learning about the local culture, customs, and any safety concerns will empower you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions throughout your trip. This knowledge not only shows respect for the places you visit, but also helps you connect with the local community, making your journey more rewarding. Additionally, researching your destination allows you to discover hidden gems and unique experiences that might not be found in tourist guides. It's a way to unlock the true essence of the places you visit, making your travel memories even more unforgettable. Number 2. Pack light. Embrace the freedom of movement by packing light. Opting for a minimalist approach means you can navigate your journey with ease, whether you're exploring bustling streets or climbing to scenic viewpoints. Packing light encourages adaptability and resourcefulness, and you'll quickly discover that you need less than you might think. This simplicity in packing empowers you to embrace spontaneity and seize new opportunities along the way. Furthermore, packing light reduces the stress of lugging heavy bags around, leaving you with more energy to explore and enjoy your travels. It also opens up space for collecting souvenirs and treasures from your journey without worrying about excess baggage. Number 3. Share your itinerary. Ensure you have a safety net in place by sharing your travel itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. This straightforward step creates a connection between you and your loved ones, providing them with the knowledge of your whereabouts and the ability to reach out in case of an emergency. Knowing you have support back home boosts your confidence as you venture into new and exciting experiences during your solo journey. Moreover, sharing your itinerary can lead to interesting conversations and insights from those who have visited the same destination or can provide valuable tips to enhance your trip. It's a way to bridge the gap between your adventures and the people who care about your well-being. Number 4. Stay aware of your surroundings. While exploring new places, it's essential to stay vigilant. Be mindful of your surroundings and trust your instincts if something doesn't feel right. Your awareness is your best defense against potential risks, so pay attention to your environment, especially in unfamiliar or crowded areas. Staying aware not only ensures your safety but also allows you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty and culture of your destination, as you'll notice details and experiences that might otherwise go unnoticed. Remember, your intuition is a valuable guide. If a situation feels uneasy, it's perfectly fine to change your course and explore somewhere else. Number 5. Learn basic phrases. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in making connections and navigating your destination more comfortably. Simple greetings, polite expressions, and essential questions like "Where is the restroom?" can open doors to meaningful interactions and showcase your respect for the local culture. Additionally, attempting to speak the local language often elicits smiles and goodwill from locals, making your travel experiences more enjoyable. Learning these phrases is not just about communication, it's a bridge that connects you with the heart of the place you're visiting, creating lasting memories and friendships. Number 6. Dress appropriately. Respect local customs by dressing modestly when needed. This will help you blend in and show respect for the local culture. Wearing clothing that aligns with the local norms demonstrates your cultural sensitivity and allows you to engage more seamlessly with the community. It can also enhance your safety by reducing unwanted attention. While dressing appropriately is essential, it doesn't mean sacrificing your personal style. There are often ways to combine comfort and cultural respect. By doing so, you not only empower yourself to navigate various cultural contexts, but also contribute positively to the places you visit, fostering cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. Number 7. Use reputable accommodations. Selecting trustworthy accommodations is paramount for solo travelers. Before making any reservations, take the time to research and read reviews. Opting for accommodations with a strong track record not only guarantees a safe and comfortable place to stay but also grants you access to valuable local insights and assistance. Reliable lodging options enhance your overall travel experience, allowing you to explore with confidence, knowing that you have a dependable home base to return to at the end of each exciting day. Your peace of mind is priceless when you're on your own. So, consider reaching out to fellow travelers for recommendations and explore different booking platforms to find the perfect accommodation that suits your needs and preferences. Number 8. Carry copies of important documents. Tip number 8 emphasizes the importance of creating copies of essential documents such as your passport and ID. These copies, kept separate from the originals, serve as a crucial backup in case of loss or theft. Additionally, consider storing digital copies securely in cloud storage or emailing them to yourself for easy access. These precautionary measures not only enhance your safety but also provide you with a sense of control and readiness, allowing you to face unexpected challenges with resilience and confidence. It's all about being prepared for the unexpected, and don't forget to keep physical copies in a safe place within your luggage to ensure accessibility if needed. Number 9. Stay connected. Ensuring you have a reliable means of staying connected while traveling solo is crucial. Whether you acquire a local SIM card or an international data plan, having access to communication tools is vital. A connected smartphone enables you to use maps for navigation, contact emergency services, and stay in touch with loved ones. It's your lifeline to information and assistance, contributing to your overall safety and peace of mind. Staying connected also means you can share your journey in real time with friends and family, making them a part of your adventure and ensuring they're aware of your well-being. It's about staying safe while staying connected, so consider carrying a portable charger to keep your devices powered throughout your travels and maximize your communication capabilities. Number 10. Trust your gut. Tip number 10 underscores the importance of trusting your instincts while traveling solo. If a situation or person feels off, don't hesitate to remove yourself from it. Your intuition is a valuable guide in unfamiliar environments, helping you make quick decisions to ensure your safety and well-being. By relying on your gut feelings, you empower yourself to navigate confidently and protect yourself from potential risks. Additionally, it's essential to remember that your intuition often becomes more finely tuned as you gain travel experience, so trust in your ability to make sound judgments. Staying attuned to your surroundings and listening to your inner voice are key elements in your journey towards becoming a savvy solo traveler. Number 11. Use reliable transportation. Choosing reliable transportation options is a crucial aspect of solo travel safety. Whether it's public transit, taxis, or rideshares, opt for well-established and reputable services. Avoid accepting rides from strangers to minimize potential risks. Reliable transportation not only ensures a smoother and more secure journey but also allows you to focus on enjoying the sights and experiences at your destination. Additionally, consider familiarizing yourself with local transportation schedules and routes in advance to navigate efficiently and confidently. Your choice of transportation can greatly impact your travel experience, so prioritize safety and reliability when making your travel arrangements. Remember, a well-planned and secure journey sets the stage for memorable adventures. Number 12. Stay hydrated and well-fed. Maintaining your energy and well-being is vital during your solo travels. Drinking plenty of water, eating regular and balanced meals, and carrying some snacks with you for when hunger strikes are essential practices. Staying hydrated and well-fed not only keeps you physically fit but also sharpens your mental clarity, helping you make sound decisions and fully appreciate your travel experiences. Furthermore, it's an empowering act of self-care, ensuring that you have the energy and resilience to explore your chosen destinations fully. So, don't forget to prioritize your nutrition and hydration throughout your journey, and try sampling local cuisine to add an extra layer of enjoyment to your solo adventure. Your health and well-being are your most valuable travel companions. Number 13. Keep valuables secure. Ensuring the safety of your valuables is paramount during solo travel. Invest in a lock for your luggage and consider using a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your essentials secure. These precautions not only protect your belongings from potential theft, but also grant you peace of mind, allowing you to focus on exploring and enjoying your destination. Additionally, practicing vigilance in crowded areas and being mindful of your belongings can go a long way in preventing theft and ensuring your solo journey remains stress-free. Remember to keep important items, such as your passport and travel documents, securely stored in a hotel safe or a dedicated travel pouch, adding an extra layer of protection to your peace of mind. Number 14. Embrace local experiences. Immerse yourself in the local culture by trying local cuisine, attending cultural events, and interacting with locals. Engaging with the community not only enhances your travel experience, but also fosters cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. By stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing local customs, you empower yourself to create lasting memories and connections that enrich your solo journey. Moreover, it's an opportunity to gain new perspectives and insights that broaden your horizons. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. Their insider knowledge can lead you to hidden gems and unforgettable experiences that you might otherwise miss. Engaging with the local culture is the key to making your solo adventure truly unforgettable. Number 15. Enjoy the journey. Lastly, remember that traveling solo is an incredible opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Embrace the journey, be open to new experiences, and savor every moment. Solo travel is not just about the destinations, it's about the transformative experiences along the way. By relishing every encounter, overcoming challenges, and cherishing the beauty of each place you visit, you empower yourself to return from your journey with a deeper understanding of the world and yourself. So, enjoy the adventure, because every step you take is a step towards self-empowerment and unforgettable memories that will stay with you for a lifetime. And as you embark on future journeys, carry these experiences with you as a source of inspiration and empowerment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful for your solo travels, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.